Hello everybody, my name is Haki. Today we're going to be talking about two major upgrades introduced in the latest firmware for the Insta360 Ace Pro. First one is a low light performance. Ace Pro is already an amazing low light action camera, but with this update, the algorithm has been significantly improved for PureVideo and further enhanced its low light capability. Improvements include noise reduction, enhanced dynamic range, increased brightness and sharpness, and overall image contrast. The enhanced dynamic range allows for better control of highlights in your shots, enabling you to capture cinematic scenes with better clarity. This is the footage shot on the streets of Tokyo. As you can see, highlight clippings are minimized, preserving more details in the footage. I believe that in night shooting, the Ace Pro is the only action camera that can achieve this level of dynamic range straight out of camera. The second one is new picture profiles, Leica Natural and Leica Vivid. These two color profiles that are co-engineered with Leica allow for more creative expression. Leica Natural features low saturation and high contrast, capturing the iconic Leica look with true-to-life colors. It's ideal for city photography, architecture, and scenes with strong light and dark contrast. On the other hand, Leica Vivid offers high saturation and brightness, enhancing the warmth of the scene with rich, vibrant colors. It's perfect for family or friends photos, still life, and colorful scenes. These picture profiles are available in both video and photo and can be easily activated from the shooting settings menu. It's a fantastic feature that allows you to capture beautiful Leica-like images straight out of camera without the need for color grading in post-production. So these are the two new features of the Ace Pro. Get your camera and mobile app ready to update the firmware now. I'm sure these improvements will help you achieve even better shots with Insta360 Ace Pro. Happy shooting!